statements a certain number of times until a condition is matched. It is commonly used for simple iteration. The for loop appears as shown for initialization, semicolon, test, semicolon, expression. Begin, set of statements, end. In the first part, a variable is initialized to a value. The second part consists of a test condition that returns only a boolean. The last part is an expression evaluated every time the loop is executed. The following example depicts the usage of the for loop. Open a new file in the editor and type the following script. Class for demo, public static void main string args, int I for I equals 0, semicolon I less than 10, semicolon I is equal to I plus 2. If I percentage 2 is equal to 0, system.out.println the number plus I is a even number. Okay. See, here we have used 1, 2, 3 close brackets. So, there are 3 open brackets are there. 1, 2, the other one is 3. Okay. So, Java does not contain any line numbers. Save this file as fordemo.java and compile using javac fordemo.java at DOS prompt. On successful compilation, execute using java for demo. The output appears as given below. The number 0 is an even number. The number 2 is an even number. The number 4 is an even number. The number 6 is an even number. The number 8 is an even number. This example generates even numbers that are less than 8. Notice the usage of the for loop from line numbers 4 to 8. Okay, this is for loop, usage of for loop for 4 to 8 till here. So, this line numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this depicts the usage of for loop. Okay. So, Java, please don't type the line numbers. This is just to demonstrate. Okay. So, I have typed the same program in the notepad. So, see this. This is the, I have removed all the line numbers. Class, for demo, static, void. So, it will print the within less than 8, it will print the even numbers. Okay. Now, we will go to the DOS prompt. Javac for demo.java. Java for demo. Okay. See, you can see na, the number 0 is even number, number 2 is even number, number 4 is even, number 6 is even, number 8 is an even number. Okay. It is printing within 0 to 8, which is less than 8. Hope you have understood this. The switch statement. The switch statement dispatches control to the different parts of the code based on the value of a single variable or expression. The value of expression is compared with each of the literal values in the case statements. If they match, the following code sequence is executed. Otherwise, an optional default statement is executed. The general syntax of the switch statement is as follows. Switch test begin case value 1, result 1, break. Case value 2, result 2, break. Default result. An illustration of the switch statement usage is given in the following example. An illustration of the switch statements usage is given below. Open a new file in the editor and type the following. Class season, public static void main string args, int v is equal to 4, switch v, case 1, 2, 3. So system.out.println, spring is around the corner within the quotes. Break, case 4, case 5, case 6. System.out.println, summer is scorching its way through, break. Case 7, case 8, case 9. System.out.println, autumn leaves are abundant, break. Case 10, 11, 12. System.out.println, winter is freezing, break. 1, 2, 3. 3 close brackets because 3 open brackets we have used. 1, 2, this is second one, this is first one, this is second one, the third one is here. Okay. So 3 begins, 3 close. So we have taken v is equal to 4 here, students. See here, case 1, 2, 3. If it is in, because we have taken case 4 is what it will print, this we will get the answer. Summer is scorching its way through. Okay. Suppose if you give v is equal to 3 here, then it will print case 1, 2, 3. What is that? Spring is around the corner. Okay. Suppose if you give summer is scorching its way through. Suppose if you give 8 here, if you give v is equal to 8, 7, 8 or 9, then it will print this one. Autumn leaves are abundant. Okay. Suppose if you give v is equal to 10 or 11 or 12, then it will print winter is freezing. Okay. So please note that line number should not be typed. Okay. Just to explain, I have used these line numbers here. Save this file as season.java. Why season? Class name is season here. Whatever the class name you give here, the same name should be your file name. Okay. Save this file as season.java and compile using javac season.java at the DOS prompt. On successful compilation, execute using Java season. The output appears as given below. Summer is scorching its way through. Note the usage of the switch statement between lines 4 and 25. Okay, from line number 4. So here switch statement line number 4 to 25. So this comprises of the switch statement till here. See, because we have used v is equal to 4 here, the output will be what? Case 4. What it says? Summer is scorching its way through. Suppose you select v is equal to 3, then it will print spring is around the corner. Okay. So now I have typed the same program in the notepad. Okay. See, I have removed all the line numbers. Now let us run this program in the DOS prompt. Now I will compile javac season 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 dot java. Okay, there are no errors, so it is coming. Now we will run this file. After compilation, java season season java season. See, summer is scorching its way through because I gave 4. You can try by giving 3 or 7 or 10. Okay. Hope you have understood this.
Break and continue. The break keyword halts the execution of the current loop and forces control out of the loop. The term break refers to the act of breaking out of a block of code. It tells the runtime to to pick up execution past the end of the named block. In order to refer to a block by name, Java has a label construct that assigns a name to every block. The following example demonstrates the usage of break statement.
The following example demonstrates the usage of break statement. Open a new file in the editor and type the following script. Class break demo public static void main string args boolean t is equal to true semicolon a colon begin b colon begin c colon begin. System.out.println within the quotes before the break. If t break b. System.out.println this will not execute. Close the bracket. System.out.println this will not execute. System.out.println this is after b. So, how many number of open brackets are there? So many number of closed brackets should be there. All the flower closed brackets. Okay. Save this file as breakdemo.java and compile using java breakdemo.java at the DOS prompt. On successful compilation, execute using java breakdemo. The output appears as given below. Before the break, this is after B. Okay. Break statement. Break means if t is equal to true, then only it will print. Okay, before the break. If it is not true, then it will not execute this line only. Okay, so before the break. Okay, now the same program I have typed it in Notepad. Okay, I have written the file in the Notepad. This is the whole program for the demo of break statement. Okay, so now I have saved by giving the break demo in the new Java directory. Now we will compile this and run. When t is equal to true, it should print before the break. Okay. Then it will print this is after b. Okay. So now let us see how it prints. Now it is since the file is in new Java, you have to go there. Now I will compile by giving javac. What is the file name I had given? Break demo. That file name is very sensitive. You have to remember all are small case. Okay. Javac B-R-E-A-K break D-E-M-O break demo.java. Okay, now I am compiling it. Okay, fine, there are no errors. Now we will run. For running, you have to give Java file name. What is my file name? Break demo. D-E-M-O. See, because t is equal to true, what it will print? Before the break. This is after b. Okay, students? Now hope you have understood this.
Continue is similar to break, except that instead of halting the execution of the loop, it starts the next iteration. The following example demonstrates the usage of continue statement.
The following example demonstrates the usage of continue statement. Class demo public static void main string args for int I equals 0, I less than 10, I is incremented. System.out.print I if I mod 2 is equal to 0, continue. System.out.println. Then close the brackets. Okay. So, how many begins? So, number of ends should be there. Save this file as continue demo.java and compile using java continue demo.java at the DOS prompt. On successful compilation, execute using java continue demo. The output appears as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, I will show you. Now, I have typed the same program in the notepad. So, you have to remove the line numbers. Java does not contain line numbers. This is just for demo. Okay, the same program I have typed in Notepad by giving continue demo. Now I have saved it in the new Java directory. Now we will compile it. Okay. Now I will compile javac continue demo .java. Okay. Now I will run java continue demo. Okay, students, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, hope you have understood this continue statement.
Now we will learn incrementing and decrementing operators. To increment or decrement a value by 1, the plus plus operator and minus minus operator are used respectively. The increment and the decrement operators can be prefixed or postfixed. The different increment and decrement operators can be used as follows. Plus plus a means pre-increment operator. Increment a by 1, then use the new value of a in the expression in which a resides. A plus plus means post-increment operator. Use the current value of a in the expression in which a resides and then increment a by 1. Minus minus b means pre-decrement operator. Decrement b by 1, then use the new value of b in the expression in which b resides. B minus minus means post-decrement operator. Use the current value of b in the expression in which b resides and then decrement b by 1.
This program illustrates the pre-increment and post-increment program. Okay. So, for that I have written a small program. Class, give the class name, I have given INCDEC. Then begin the program. Public static void main string args. You know this is the main function. Integer a is equal to 1 semicolon, int b is equal to 2 semicolon, int c is equal to plus plus b semicolon. Okay, int d is equal to a plus plus semicolon, c is incremented, c plus plus semicolon. System.out.println, a is equal to within the quotes plus a. System.out.println b is equal to plus b. So, like this you type a, b, c, d, all the lines should be terminated by semicolons.
So, this is a small program which demonstrates the use of pre-increment and post-increment operators. Okay.
So, this is the file we have typed and saved it in new Java folder. Okay. I have saved it in new Java folder. Now, we will run this. Now, go to the DOS prompt. So, here my program is in new Java. You have to give Java, javac, my file name is incdec.java. Okay. Compile the program. If you have any errors, it will display errors here. Okay. Now, there is no errors. So, it is coming to the next prompt. Now, I will run the program. To run the program, you have to give Java file name. My file name is incdec. Okay. So, after compilation, after running, you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, d is equal to 1.
So, similarly you can do for pre-decrement and post-decrement. Okay. operators. There are several expressions for testing equality and magnitude. All these expressions return a Boolean value. Operator double equal to meaning equal. Example is U equal to 45. Exclamatory equal to meaning not equal. Example is U exclamatory equal to 75, means it is U is not equal to 75. Less than operator meaning is less than, U less than 85. Greater than operator meaning is greater than. Example is U greater than 68. Operator less than equal to means less than or equal to. Example is U less than or equal to 53. Greater than equal to operator meaning greater than or equal to U greater than equal to 64. Logical operators. Logical operators available are AND, OR, XOR and NOT. The AND operator denotes ampersand or double ampersand, which returns true only if both sides in the expression are true. If any one side fails, the operator returns false. For example, consider the following statement: gender is equal to 1 and age greater than equals to 65. This condition is true if and only if both the simple conditions are true. In the AND operator, if the left side of the expression returns false, the whole expression returns false and the right side is totally neglected. The AND operator evaluates both sides irrespective of outcome. The OR operator used for OR combination. This returns true if any of the expression is true. Only if all the conditions are false, the expression is false. Consider the following statement: semester average greater than equal to 90 or final exam greater than equal to 90. The above condition is true if either of the two conditions is true. The OR operator evaluates the left expression first, and if it returns true, never evaluates the right side expression. A single OR operator evaluates both the expression regardless of the outcome. XOR operator returns true only if its operands are different. If both its operands are similar, for example true true, false false, it returns false. The operator is used for NOT. The value of NOT is negation of the expression. Bitwise operators. Here the bitwise operators are inherited from C and C++. They are used to perform operations on individual bits in integers. A list of the bitwise operators are available in the following table. The exclamatory operator is used for NOT. The value of NOT is negation of the expression. Operator ampersand meaning bitwise AND. Operator pipe meaning bitwise OR. Cap operator meaning bitwise XOR. Operator less than 2 times less than meaning left shift. Greater than operator meaning right shift. 4 times greater than symbol meaning 0 fill right shift. Complement operator meaning bitwise complement. Less than equal to operator meaning left shift assignment. Greater than equal to operator meaning right shift assignment. Triple greater than equal to operator meaning zero fill right shift assignment. X ampersand is equal to Y meaning and assignment. X exclamatory equals to Y meaning or assignment. X cap is equal to Y meaning XOR assignment. So this program illustrates the usage of bitwise operators. So this is a small program. Class, I have given the file name or the class name as bit op. Then begin the program, type the main function, public static void main string args, integer a equals 1, integer b equals 2, integer c equals 3, a is equal to a or b, semicolon, b double greater than equal to 1, c double less than or equal to 1, then a is equal to a. This is cap means XOR, a XOR c semicolon. See, all the lines in Java should be terminated by semicolon. Now we are printing the value of a, b and c. So here these are the bitwise operators. Okay, you have already learned the bitwise operator of this meaning, the bitwise operator, this is the XOR. Okay, this is the OR value, this is OR value. Okay, so after typing this program, now we will run. So I have saved this program in new Java. Okay, now I will go to the command prompt. It is in my new Java directory. So go to the directory where you have saved the file. cd new Java. Then I am compiling the file. Javac. What did I give the file name? Bit op. Okay, you have to remember capital B. So Javac bit op, bit op dot Java. Okay, Java bit op. Okay, so the value after execution of the bitwise operators, you will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 6. Hope you have understood this. Operator precedence. The order in which the expressions are evaluated and their overall value is determined by the operator precedence. The following table indicates the specific precedence of the various operators. Operator square brackets is used for arrays. Operator round brackets is used for group expressions. Operator dot is used to access methods and variables within objects and classes. Operator minus, exclamatory, minus, these operators return true or false based on whether the object is an instance of the named class or any of that class superclass. The new type expression. The new operator is used to create instances of the classes. Operator asterisk symbol slash percentage, these denotes multiplication, division and modulus. Operator plus minus denotes addition and subtraction. Operator double greater than symbol, double less than symbol denotes bitwise left and double greater than symbol denotes right shift. Less than symbol, greater than symbol, less than equal to, greater than equal to, these are all the relational comparison tests. Okay. So double equal to and ampersand double equal to means equal to and not equal to. Double equal to, comma, exclamatory double equal to and not equal to. Ampersand and, cap XOR, pipe or, double ampersand, logical and. Pipe, logical or. Question mark, colon, ternary operator. Equal to, plus, equal to, minus, equal to, star, equal to, slash, equal to, percentage, equal to. They are all assignment operators.